Parents can support their children and encourage children with speaking Gaelic if there are brothers and sisters in the home or family members. Then they should be encouraged to speak to them. If not, then encouraged to watch television programmes that are in Gaelic, listen to radio programmes, take part in Gaelic events, mods, lots of different activities, but really to be a support and encourage the children with Gaelic.
Support for parents is actually becoming more important, because as parents who don't have Gaelic might be a little bit nervous about putting their children into Gaelic medium, but there are websites that parents can access, for example Gaelic for Parents and Solmarostic websites and UHI and the BBC. All these websites, they have information, and they actually also lead to studies that parents can look at and see, this is available in Gaelic and Gaelic is actually working well, and these studies show that. So I think the success of Gaelic is breeding a little bit of interest in the language, and also it's actually enabling people to say, well, Gaelic medium is an option, it's a success, how can we help parents? And I think there is a way to go there. I think we could actually be supporting parents a little bit better, but that's something that we can be working on.